Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you everyone? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a general science class for class Junior 1 students. Dear students, our today's topic is chapter 5 and 6. Today we will read two chapters. Let's see today's topic from here. Our today's topic is chapter 5 and 6, and the name of this chapter is chapter 5 name is Big Plants and Small Plants, and the name of chapter 6 is Leaves. And this is lecture number 6, and I will give you SW. Our SW number will be 5 number SW. And this is your science book. Our today's topic is here. This is page number 14. We will start from here, chapter 5 and chapter 6. This is page number 16. So dear students, let's start the class. Here is chapter 5, Big Plants and Small Plants. There are so many plants in the world. Plants are living organisms that cover much of the land of planet Earth. We see them everywhere. They include grass, trees, flowers, bushes, ferns, mosses, and more. Plants are members of the earth. Look at this picture, students. This is a tree. This is a tree. It is so big. It is so big. A tree is a big plant. A tree is a big plant. And here is, this is a small plant. This is a big plant, and this one is a small plant. And this is a bush. This is a bush. And bush, they have many branches from the base of the stem. So this is called bush. Now go to the next page. Here is 15 number page, and here is a picture. What is this plant? Is it a tree or a bush? Look at this picture. What is this? This is a tree. This is a tree, and this is a big plant. This is a big plant. So we will write here a tree. This is a tree. And look at this now, this picture. Students, try to draw the picture of a tree and color it. And here is the level of leaf. This part of this tree is leaf, and this part is called branch, and this is the part of this tree's trunk. This is called trunk. Here is leaf, and this part is called branch, and this part is trunk. Students, now we will read chapter 6, and the name of this chapter is Leaves. Now we will learn about some leaves. Leaves are very important for plants. A leaf is a flat, thin plant organ that uses the sun to make its own food. In general, leaves are green. Plants have many leaves. The leaves help to identify the type of plant species it belongs. That means we can recognize the plants by their leaf. And look at this, here is a picture of leaf, and this is the leaf of money plant, and here is a leaf. And some plants have big leaves like lotus leaf. This is a leaf of lotus, and you can see this is a big leaf. Some plants have big leaves. And here is another big leaves. This is banana leaves. This is banana leaves. And some plants have small leaves. Some plants have small leaves like rose leaf and mint leaf. Here is the picture of rose leaf, and their leaves are small. And here is a picture of mint leaf, and their leaves are small. Now go to the next page. This is page number 17. Look at this picture. Here is different kinds of leaves. We can see here is different kinds of leaves, and each leaf is different from one another. Each leaf is different from one another. We can see they are different from their shape, size. So they are different from one another. Now students, we will do some exercise from these chapters. Here is first one. Here is fill in the blanks. Now we will write here. Fill in the blanks. A number fill in the blanks is here. A tree is a dash plant. Now we know that a tree is a big plant. Now we will write here B. B-I-G. Big. Now B number, here is plants have many dash. Plants have many dash. What will be the answer? The answer will be plants have many leaves. We will write here leaves. Now next exercise is here question and answer. Here is only one question and answer, and this is what is a leaf? What is a leaf? Answer is a leaf is a flat, thin plant organ. A leaf is a flat, thin plant organ. So dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Now I will give you HW. Our today's HW number is 5 number HW. And your HW will be this fill in the blanks. We can see here is only 2 fill in the blanks. It will be your HW. So this is your HW. I am repeating your HW. This is 5 number HW, and your HW will be fill in the blanks. 2 fill in the blanks. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. keep practice it at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy. And you have to submit your SW on every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Assalamu alaikum.